So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to transfer your money from your Bybit onto Stake. So basically, first access your Stake account by opening any web browser and search for stake.com. And once you're in, you will see this page. And for you to able to transfer money from Bybit to Stake, once you're in on your Stake account, you will see this page and you just have to pick which currency or cryptocurrency that you wanted to put in. So basically, for example, BTC, just select on it and click on the wallet icon. So this will pop up on your screen if you're not yet verified. So if you're verified, a different page will pop up on your screen. You will see the withdraw button and the deposit button. So for you to able to transfer money onto Stake, you just have to click on the deposit for you to able to receive money from an exchanger. So once you copied the wallet address that Stake gives you, go to your Bybit account and go to the assets section. Once you're in, click the funding and select the cryptocurrency that you selected from Stake and then click on the withdraw. So in this case, I won't be able to withdraw since I don't have any currency or any assets from my Stake or Bybit account. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.